start with named and mixed notation of SQL. The PL/SQL allows the argument in a subroutine call to be specified using positional, named, or mixed notation. In the three way we can use the SQL function. One is you have to give a position, you can give a name, or you have to give a mixed notation. Prior to the Oracle Database 11g, only the positional notation is supported in the call from SQL. So before the 11g, only you have to pass the element as a position structure. Starting from the 11g, you can pass a named notation. You can pass the value through a name, mixed notation, name and value. ओके तो जैसे कि आप क्या कर रहे थे ना, एक आरो मार्क यूज करके वैल्यू पास कर रहे थे, एक रेफरेंस पास कर रहे थे, दैट इज अ मिक्स्ड नोटेशन. फॉर लॉन्ग पैरामीटर लिस्ट विथ मोस्ट हैविंग डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू, यू कैन ओमिट द वैल्यू फ्रॉम द ऑप्शनल पैरामीटर. Avoid the duplicate checking. So you cannot take the parameter. This one, it is a mixed notation we are using. Then P underscore here is passing from then we are passing a value here, and now it is written the number. So now the value we are passing in the parameter 5 10, जो value आप 10 यहाँ पर पास कर रहे हो, तो 10 into 2 हो गया 20. 20 में parameter 1 20 10 into 2 आप जब फंक्शन कॉल कर रहे हो तो कंपल्सरी यहाँ पर पास करना. कुछ अगर 5 पैरामीटर 1 पहले है, पैरामीटर 5 में है, तो हम आपके पास है तो ऑटोमेटिक पैरामीटर 1 यूज, तो इसलिए पोजीशन दिया गया है. पैरामीटर 5 में 10 आपका इनिशियलाइजेशन होगा. इट इज अ पोजीशनल नोटेशन. तो 10 जाकर आपका पैरामीटर 5 में इनिशियलाइजेशन होगा. तो 10 into 2 हो गया 20, और यहाँ पर हम पैरामीटर 1 के लिए कुछ वैल्यू पास किए हैं. Okay, means how the command or text this function, then next is react. Next comes to the package. What is package? The package schema of that group of related PLSQL type variable software. So logical related things. Suppose you are creating a structure for a employee, structure student. So related is usually package. Okay, then you have to implement this. The specification is the interface to the package. It declares the type, variable, constant, exception. So in the specification means where in a normal programming language what happened? Programming में पहले आप variable define करते थे, फिर उसके बाद आपको initialization कर रहे थे. So here also working in this format. First you have to define the structure of the package, then you have to implement. Specification is the interface to the package. It declares the type, variable, constant, exception, cursor, subprogram that can be referenced from the outside of the package. The body defines the query from the cursor and the code for the subprogram. It enables the Oracle server to read multiple objects in the memory at once. Okay. In the body, you have to define the package, means you have to implement the package. It is also helping you, the Oracle server, to read the multiple object into a single memory. Means you have to store the file into the different sources. एम्प्लॉय के लिए एक फोल्डर में स्टोर हो गया, स्टूडेंट के लिए एक फोल्डर में स्टोर हुआ है, तो आप एम्प्लॉय और स्टूडेंट को इंटीग्रेट करना चाहते हो एट वन प्लेस, so you have to integrate in a common structure by using of this package. The PLSQL package, it is enable you to bundle the related PLSQL type. It contains the variable, data structure, exception, subprogram into one container. So in a one container, you can include the data structure, you can include the exception, you can include the subprogram into one container. A package usually consists of two parts. One is stored separately in the database. As you have the specification and body that we discussed, the package itself cannot be called or parameterized or nested. It is not called all the things. In the package, you are defining what? You are defining the function, you are defining a procedure. So you cannot directly call this function or procedure. The package में हम कुछ function define करेंगे, कुछ variable define करेंगे, कुछ procedure define करेंगे. But वो डायरेक्टली कॉल नहीं होगा. ये कैसे कॉल होगा ना, पैकेज के नेम से ही कॉल होगा. Any doubt in the package? Advantages of using package. First is modularity, encapsulating related construct. So in a package, you are defining function, you are defining a procedure, you are defining a variable. Okay, but when you call, when there is a requirement for a function, you have to only call the function. The procedure is not called. When there is a requirement for procedure, you have to call only the procedure. So at that timing, function is not called. So that is called as your modularity. Means you are hidden the information it is not required for the specific time. मतलब it is one container. जैसे कि ड्रेस शॉप हो गया, उसमें सारा ड्रेस मटेरियल अवेलेबल है, लेकिन जो कस्टमर जाएगा ड्रेस शॉप में, जिस कस्टमर का जो भी नीड है वही चीज वो कस्टमर देख सकता है. दैट इज द concept of modularity. Easier of maintenance, it is keeping logical related functionality together. Easier of application designing, coding and compiling the specification and body separately. Your code is present one part, your declaration is present one part. So when you are implementing the structure, you are giving a security. तो जो आपका देखेगा वो क्या देखेगा, स्पेसिफिकेशन देखेगा, और कहाँ पर इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है, तो the person cannot be judge it. Hiding the information, only the declaration in the package specification visible and it is accessible to the application. Private construct in the package body are hidden in and it is inaccessible. Private means it cannot be shared to the other package or other application. Okay, so you can define as a private, you can define as a secure. जैसे कि आप कोई भी फेसबुक का फोटो अपलोड करते हो, if you define as a private, nobody can view it. Okay, only you have the rights to see that photo. So that is called as the word defining of private. In a programming language, you are defining as private. When you define a variable or function as private, it cannot be accessed in the other classes. Means it is secure in that classes. Within that class, it can be used. So that is a work of your private. You can hide the information or you can personalize your application. The advantages using packages provide an alternative to creating the procedure and function as a standalone schema object, and they offer the several benefits. One is modularity and easier maintenance. You encapsulate logical related programming structure in a named module. Modularity, breaking the complex program into a smaller part. एम्प्लॉय के लिए अलग हो गया, स्टूडेंट का पैकेज अलग हो गया, तो टीचर का अलग हो गया. तो जो पैकेज जब आपका जरूरत होगा वही पैकेज आप प्रोग्राम में कॉल करोगे. दैट इज योर मॉड्यूलरिटी. देन हो गया easier application design. It allow you need initially is the interface information in the package specification. You can code and compile as specification without its body. Thereafter, store subprogram that reference the package can compile as well. You need not define the package body fully until you are ready to compile the application. First, you have to define a structure. तो यहाँ पर पैकेज में क्या होता है ना, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डिफाइन ए स्पेसिफिकेशन. एक स्पेसिफिकेशन आप डिफाइन करते हो, एक स्ट्रक्चर बना देते हो. देन आफ्टर थिंग दैट यू हैव टू रेडी टू कंपाइल द एप्लीकेशन. सो एट दैट टाइमिंग यू हैव टू डिफाइन ए बॉडी. उसके बाद आप इंप्लीमेंट करोगे कैसे होगा. हाइडिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन, यू डिसाइड व्हिच कंस्ट्रक्ट आर पब्लिक. किस प्रोसीजर को आपको दिखाना है, किस फंक्शन को आपको शो करना है, किस वेरिएबल को अदर क्लास और अदर प्रोसीजर में आपको यूज करना है. दैट यू कैन डिफाइन. द पैकेज बॉडी हाइड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द प्राइवेट कंस्ट्रक्ट so that only the package is affected, not the application. Only that package is affected. If the definition changes, this enable you to change the implementation without recompile the calling program. Also, by hiding the implementation detail from user, you protect the integrity of the package. तो इसमें क्या होता है ना, अगर आपका स्पेसिफिकेशन चेंज हो गया, ओके, तो आपको बॉडी भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा। तो यहाँ पर आपको दोनों को कंपाइल करने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है। तो अगर आपका स्पेसिफिकेशन बॉडी में कुछ चेंजेस होता है तो ऑलरेडी इट इज कंपाइल्ड, मींस इट इज कंपाइल्ड वन टाइम, तो यू हैव टू यूज इट अगेन एंड अगेन। तो आप अगर स्पेसिफिकेशन को एग्जीक्यूट कर लेते हो, दैट मींस देयर इज नो नीड टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस बॉडी पार्ट। तो फर्स्ट यू रिमेंबर हियर why you are defining a package। जब पैकेज आप डिफाइन कर रहे हो, पहले आपको स्पेसिफिकेशन डिफाइन करना है। स्पेसिफिकेशन मतलब उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या क्या रहेगा। उसके बाद पैकेज का बॉडी रहता है। बॉडी में क्या रहता है, दैट यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट, आपका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन रहेगा वो, ओके, एंड यू कैन हाइडिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन ओवर देयर। सो दीज आर द थ्री बेनिफिट वी हैव इन द पैकेज। Any doubt? In these 3 points, we doubt it? The next advantages is it added the functionality, persistency of public variable and cursor. You can define some variable as public so that you can use in other application. It has the better performance. The entire package is loaded into the memory when the package is fast reference. So there is only one copy in the memory for all users. So once you are defining a package, it is loaded in the memory. So that what happened, when there is a requirement is happened, so you have to only call the package. Just like example, suppose I am defining a package P1. In P1, I am defining two functions. Suppose F1 and F2 two function I have defined, and it is implemented in the body. Package body it is implemented. Okay. तो स्पेसिफिकेशन में मैंने दो फंक्शन डिफाइन किया, दैट इज F1 and F2, एंड इट इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन द बॉडी पार्ट। बॉडी पार्ट में वो फंक्शन यूज हुआ। देन सपोज अगर आपका फंक्शन स्पेसिफिकेशन बॉडी में अगर आपको कुछ चेंजेस करना पड़ता है, तो आपको स्पेसिफिकेशन में कुछ चेंजेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज it's just like I am giving you a bowel, so through that bowel you can take the curry or you can drink the water, so that is depend upon you. I am defining a bowel, so you can use in your way. तो आपका मन हुआ आज पानी पी लिए, कल मन हुआ आप कुछ करी आइटम खा लिए होंगे, so that is depend upon you where it is used. Okay. Overloading multiple subprogram of the same name. Subprogram means like you can define as a function, you can define as a procedure. तो जब आप कोई भी PL/SQL का प्रोग्राम लिखते हो, तो you are defining a function, you are giving a different name. So if it is a longer program, it is not the better way to what, इतना सारा अगर फंक्शन हो जाता है तो उसको याद रखने में प्रॉब्लम होता है। ओके, सो यू हैव टू डिफाइन द सेम फंक्शन मोर देन वन टाइम इन ए पैकेज। सपोज मान लीजिए मैं एक एरिया फंक्शन डिफाइन किया। एरिया फंक्शन अगर मैं और प्रोसीजर डिफाइन करता हूँ, सर्कल, सर्कल का एरिया डिफरेंट रहेगा, रेक्टेंगल का एरिया डिफरेंट रहेगा, ट्रायंगल का एरिया डिफरेंट रहेगा। फंक्शन एक ही है एरिया, लेकिन जो प्रोसीजर और जो मतलब एनोनिमस फंक्शन वो प्रोसीजर और जो फंक्शन को यूज करेगा वो खुद का फंक्शनैलिटी डाल सकता है, जैसे कि सर्कल वो डाल सकता है पाई आर स्क्वायर, और जैसे कि हो गया आपका रेक्टेंगल, वो उसका फंक्शनैलिटी डाल सकता है. Okay, so we are defining a prototype, and those are the anonymous plugs are using that function, they are giving their functionality. वो क्या करेंगे, उसका फंक्शनैलिटी खुद दे सकते हैं. तो दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ ओवरलोडिंग. मतलब सेम फंक्शन आप एक प्रोसीजर में और एक पैकेज में बार बार आप यूज कर सकते हैं. It is, this functionality is also present in the programming language, function overloading. Okay. It contained the, it added the functionality. Okay, it is package public variable cursor, that the description is given here. It added the public variable. It contained the cursor during the session. Thus, they can be shared by the subprogram. So, you are defining the variable and function. It can be used in other programs. They also enable you to maintain the data across the transaction without having to store it in its database. Private construct also persist for the duration. It contains the better performance. When you call a package subprogram, the first time the entire package is loaded into the memory. So when you define a package, the entire package is loaded into the memory. Later call to the related subprogram in the package. Next comes to the overloading. With package, you can overload the procedure and function, which means you can create a multiple subprogram with the name in the same package. Okay, so same function you can use in the multiple subprogram. The component of the PLSQL package. The package specification is the interface to your program. It declares the public type, variable, constant, exception, cursor, and subprogram available for use. First, you have to define the package specification. Then you have to define the package body. It defines its own subprogram and must fully implement in the subprogram declared in the specification part. Okay. So first you have to define the package specification, means package declaration, then package body where you can implement. Then public component. The public component are declared in the package specification. The specification defines the public application programming interface. So it is defined the API for user of package feature. Okay, so public component means where you can share this variable and function to the other application. Private are placed in the package body and can be referenced only by the other construct within the same package body. The private means it is only used in the particular structure or particular packages. Okay, it cannot be used outside of the package. Okay, so these are the component of your package. The visibility of component describe whether the component can be seen. So where you have to see in the package, it is referenced as used by the other component or object. One is local component are visible within the structure in which they are declared. Okay, where you can visibility. One is local component are visible within the structure. Local means what? Suppose you have to define a function. आप एक function define कर रहे हो, उसके अंदर जो भी वेरिएबल और फंक्शनैलिटी डिफाइन कर रहे हो, वही फंक्शन में वही वेरिएबल सिर्फ यूज हो सकता है. जैसे कि हम फंक्शन में पैरामीटर पास कर रहे हैं, वो पैरामीटर वैल्यू आकर फंक्शन के अंदर जो वेरिएबल आप पास कर रहे हो वहीं पर इवैल्यूएट होकर वो वेरिएबल हमको रिटर्न करता है वैल्यू. मतलब विद इन द फंक्शन इट इज इवैल्यूएट एंड रिटर्न द वैल्यू. So that is called as the word local, means it is only used in the structure. The variable defined in a subprogram can be referenced within that subprogram and are not visible to the external component. For example, the local variable can be used in the procedure A. Private package variable which are declared in the package body. In the package body you have to declare. Okay. And referenced by the component in the same package body. So it is only used in the same package. So by the reference of the same package name, you can access the value. You cannot access by other package name. You cannot share that variable to the other package. You cannot share the variable in the other package or function. They are not visible to any subprogram or object or that are outside in the package. For example, private variable cannot be used in the procedure A and B. If you define in the A, it is only used in the A. Globally declared component are visible internally or externally. Those are the variables if you define as globally, it can visible in the internal or external. A package subprogram in the specification can be called from the external code. Okay, so global thing will be accessed anywhere. When you define as a private, it can be accessed only within the same package or same package reference. That is the visibility of your package. Okay, we cover up to this part. So tomorrow we'll go for the programming part. Okay. Thank you.